YouTube. That's right. This is Hoover the OG here for another YouTube video once again. So yeah, I know I be getting a lot of complaints like that I should do some Smash or Pass Cartoon Mom edition, but too bad I didn't get the chance to do that. But instead, I'm gonna do the tier list ranking the cartoon moms of all time. Yeah, it'll be my first time, so hope y'all enjoy this to see what my ranks are about. Okay, so first up we got Mrs. Thornberry from the Wild Thornberries. Man, I'm gonna have to stick you to a D. And next we got Timmy's mom. Hmm. I mean, she do have a body for a carrot, but I would say she's a good male though. I'm gonna put her in the A. Carmen's mom, but I'm gonna stick you to a D because I know that she's a whore, like a dirty whore. Edie Pickles, mm, man, yeah, that's why I think. Okay, SpongeBob's mom. I don't know. I'm gonna have to put you to a. I'm gonna give you a C. Cause I mean, everybody says that SpongeBob's mom is a cookie, but that she's not. She's actually a sponge. Okay, now we got Lois Griffin. I mean, I mean, she is one of the males, but I'm gonna put you in A. Okay, we got Dexter's mom. Yes, yes. Go right here. Go right here. I know she's a top male because, like, you know how it is, like, with her, the way her body looks, like, I do want her to sit on my face, like, real badly, though. Hey, Connie's mom from Steven Universe. I would put you a C. Okay, now we got, ooh, Maddie Fenton. Yep, also S plus plus. She is a top MILF, also though. Peggy Hill, nah. Beth Smith from Rick and Morty. But anyway, I'll put her a B. I mean, she deserves a B like that. Linda from Bob's Burgers. Nah. Yeah, a D also. Okay, now we got Angelica's mom. Mm, yeah, I'll put her a C. We got Rigby's mom for regular show. I'll just put her C. We got Gumbel's mom, Nicole. I'll put her a B. Next, we got Dr. Ann Possible from Kim Possible. Okay, I'm gonna give her a S. It's my favorite Disney cartoons of all time of my childhood. Like, I really love the show though. But it's still goaded though. Still goaded. Now we got, oh yes, yes, right here, Mrs. Incredible. Yeah. I mean, I know how it is for Mrs. Incredible. I mean, the way her body looks and even, the thing. Because she's always number one. Like, my number one top MILF of all time. Okay, now we got. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Trudy Proud. Yeah. Trudy Proud. Yeah. Next, we got Lily Tess from Johnny Test. I'm gonna put you. I'll put you in A. Next, we got Read Aloud from the Loud House. Okay, I'm gonna put you to a B. She has 11 children. I mean, it must be going crazy. A massive family in one house. Like, that is crazy though. Real crazy. Next, we got Jane Jepson. S. Okay, now we got Bunny Bravo from Johnny Bravo. I'm gonna put you in A. Now we got Marge Simpson. Yeah, in S. Okay, Connie's mom from King of the Hill. Okay. I'll put her beat out. And Betty from the Flintstones. Hmm. S. Uh, there. Francine Smith. You deserve it. You have to be honest with you guys, but from my opinion of Francine Smith from American Dad, I mean, she is perfect the way she is. Like, her personality and that blonde hair and that luscious lips. Hmm. Like, I'm about to go crazy. Rose Quartz from Steven Universe. Hmm. Sorry, but yeah. Mordecai's mom from Regular Child Out. Yeah. And A. Next we got Judy Neutron from Jimmy Neutron. Hmm. An A. Sheila Broflovsky from South Park. Elf. On to one more. Wumba Flimstone. I know where you're going. S. There we go. And this is my top tier list of my mom, cartoon mom rankings. So yeah. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. So go ahead and subscribe and like this video and comment to see more videos that you guys about to see next. So Hoover the Greatest signing off. Peace.